question. Do you ever think a candle can stay lit underwater?
Sounds impossible, doesn't it? Well, today we're going to test it. And at the same time, we're going to learn something that will teach our minds how to stay strong.
Welcome back to Stella Ale's Happy Minds Lab.
I'm Stella. I'm a 10-year-old certified kids yoga teacher, and this is
Ale Alessandro, a 7-year-old who loves yoga, science, experiment, football, and Lego.
For this experiment, you will need a candle lit by an adult, a glass transparent bowl filled with water, and a transparent glass that you can put in so you can see the candle and get burn out.
So simple, right? But these things are going to show us something powerful about how we handle challenges. Here's our candle. Let's pretend this flame is your inner light, the part of you that makes you kind, strong, and happy.
Now, normally, if we push the candle inside down, the flame would go out. That's like stress, big feelings, or mistakes trying to put us out.
But here's the cool part. What happens if we protect the candle with this cup?
Okay, let's do it. Look, it's underwater and it's still glowing, just like you can be if you practice mindfulness and growth mindset. But soon it will burn out because the oxygen will disappear. Ta-da!
Mindfulness is like this cup. Taking a deep breath when things feel heavy helps you so your flame doesn't go out.
And growth mindset is like a stronger cup. It helps you say, I can keep trying, I can learn from this instead of giving up. Let's try it right now. Put your hand in your heart, take a deep breath in, hold it, and breathe out. Now let's do it again. Deep breath in, and out. In, hold, and out. You can repeat this so you can feel calm and happy.
Imagine your breath is this cup, keeping your inner light glowing bright just like this candle.
This experiment shows us something super important. Even when life feels like it's pulling us underwater,
your thoughts, your mindset can all protect your inner flame.
Thanks for watching
Stella Ale's Happy Minds Lab. Bye. See you next time.